Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video is going to be a short one. I'm going to show you how to get community tab on YouTube. Now before you needed to have at least 1,000 subscribers to have a community tab. Today you just need 500 subscribers. Now as you can see here, so YouTube does not allow all channels to have all community tab, right? The catch is to have at least 500 subscribers. After you reach that threshold, the community post section will appear on your channel in about a week. We'd also like to underline that if your channel is set as a kids channel, you will not be eligible to have a community tab. Now, as you can see, you need at least 500 subscribers to have community tab, and YouTube will automatically enable the community tab on your YouTube channel. So this is basically your answer. You need at least 500 subscribers. You cannot do it under 500 subscribers. We used to have a limit which is 1,000 subscribers, right? But now the limit is a bit lower, which allows everyone to actually go and get that community tab. So that's pretty much how to get a community tab on YouTube in 2022. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.